Now we've got some very big news going on in the meme coin space, and you guys can see the headline right here. Tron meme coin deployer SunPump tops $1 million in revenue 11 days after its launch. Now there's a new player in town. You've got Pump Fun, right? Solana is doing an amazing job to bring a ton of liquidity into the meme coin space with their Solana-based meme coins. And of course now Tron joining in on the action with this SunPump. Guys, $11 million or $1 million in 11 days is a crazy amount of money. I'm going to go over this article talking about meme coins, what I expect to happen in the meme coin space, and we're going to be talking about a meme coin that you can buy with some Solana right after this. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got a very interesting article on the screen, and one that I believe describes what's happening to the meme coin space right now. You know, we've had a decent steadying of Bitcoin and Ethereum and so on. Solana maybe down 1-2% today, and the price action is stable but stagnant. And a lot of retail investors don't like stable but stagnant. They like these crazy meme coins that rip up in value, rip down in value as well, and they like the volatility. Why? Because they know that they can wake up and have life-changing money in their account, so that's where they go to and that's where they flock to. Now, I'm not going to spend the entirety of this video talking about this article here, but it is going to set the stage for what is happening in the meme coin space. SunPump, a new meme coin deployer on the Tron blockchain, has generated over $1.1 million in revenue in its 11 days since its initial launch. Total revenues of 7 million Tron since its launch on August 9th, according to data from Dune. It goes on to say that the biggest revenue day was yesterday, August 20th, when it earned 2.78 million TRX worth $400,000 with over 6,000 meme coins created. So, we've got a new player in the meme coin game, guys. The Tron network. Now, total creation, 18,400 meme coins have been created so far. 7 million TRX tokens in revenue. Incredible. And it goes on to talk a little bit about Justin Sun's tweets here and what he thinks of it and so on. Now, this article says that skeptics still question the value of meme coins in the crypto industry as Solana-based meme coin volume continues to fall. Well, I believe that Solana-based meme coin volume is continuing to fall for a couple of reasons. Number one, we've got competitors, very cheap competitors like Tron and Base now, but also retail investors buying these meme coins. They're just not here in the abundance that they once were. If you come out and look at the fear to greed index, you can see that we are even more fearful today, even though prices are relatively stable, than where we were yesterday or last week. Investors are scared, guys. It is as simple as that. Retail is afraid. Retail's not cut out for investing. Retail is cut out for putting their popcorn in the microwave and having it done 3 minutes later. Then they sit down, enjoy it, and they're done with it, right? Retail is not, they're not cut out for the long term. They're not cut out for the volatility. They're not cut out for the ups and downs. They can't handle. They're not cut out for emotional stability. They're very unstable. So as soon as one thing goes up, it's all about greed, greed, greed. As soon as it goes down, it's all about fear, fear, fear. And the average retail investor can't handle that, which is why they have left for the moment. Another thing that, analytic that shows this is the cryptocurrency search volume out on Google. Retail investors are nowhere near or nowhere around right now. When they return, stuff will pump. You better believe it. You have to be loading up. Even if you accumulate in very small quantities, you have to be willing to stick it through, and you have to be willing to be here. Now, I do believe that the Tron network can grow because of these meme coins, and meme coins do an excellent job of bringing liquidity onto the blockchain. That's what this article goes on to talk about here, and the entire liquidity argument. But here's something that I do know, right? I've watched bull market to bear market to bull market several times. And if you leave, you do not win. If you leave, you do not get the gains in the upcoming bull market, which is why I am accumulating stuff like Dawgz. Dawgz is a multi-chain coin that you can buy on Base, Ethereum with BNB, Avalanche, and Solana. Now, that's what I want to talk about in this video. Let's say you want to come out here and you want to grab 1 Solana or even 10 Solana worth of base Dawgz. 10 Solana, you're walking away with 172,715 base Dawgz. An excellent amount at the near 1 cent price point right now. But on top of that, you get 5% increases in your price roughly every week. The next price increase is going to be happening in 5 days from now. You get refer to earn bonuses. I ask you guys to use my link in the description. If you don't want to share your link, please share my link with your guys' friends and family and so on. But you're going to receive a 10% bonus of anything that is purchased there. On top of that, 809% annualized staking rewards. Guys, we're already talking about being able to 9x your base Dawgz holdings. You're talking about 10% bonuses, 5% increases in price every stage of this presale. And there are airdrop rewards as well. All you have to do, connect your X account, be social by sharing memes and other posts, essentially spreading the word about base Dawgz, and you're going to earn free base Dawgz for doing so. Now, if you come out and check out the community that they are growing here, 5,838 followers out on their X account already, and they're doing very good. Look at this. 3.7 thousand views, 8.6 thousand views, 5.4 thousand views, 14,000 views. That's a retweet on that one. But they have 15,000, 5.9 thousand, 5.6 thousand. These guys are getting views right now. It's just simply the fact that retail investors are afraid and retail investors are not accumulating in the quantities that they should be right now. But you can. You don't have to fall victim to the emotion of the market. You don't have to fall victim to the fear that is currently out there. And when things begin to move up, you don't have to fall victim to the greed either, because you're already going to have bought in. You're already going to have accumulated. You're already going to be ready to sell at that point and make your profit, because the cyclical nature of this market shows. These dips, they get bought up. They get bought up by whales, venture capitalists, institutions, and the rips, they unfortunately get sold off into retail investors who then decide to buy. Don't be like everybody else, guys. Be willing to accumulate when this fear is shown, and be willing to sell when the greed comes back. I'm accumulating base Dawgz. I want to know if you guys are accumulating base Dawgz down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.